Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamadhi and today I have kind of like a very different video for you. So I'm gonna share home decor haul with you. I bought these things from Amazon, Myntra and many other sites. So I hope you enjoy this video because I love picking these things. And I'm gonna start with this dream catchers that I got from Amazon, but I have to tell you something.
This rose things are coming out of this dream catcher. So yeah, there you see it, right? See, it looks okay, could be better because these things come out. Like I already lost I think 3 of the roses, so yeah, I have to. We have a situation here, and then I have another dream catcher that is kind of plain. I'm gonna decorate with those handmade flowers.
So these are the handmade flowers I bought from Little Birdie. These are available on Amazon and I just love this, how delicate these are. I decor my house using these things.
I actually bought another 2 dream catchers 2 months back, and I like those things. The quality of those products are better than this. Those 2 things, one I got from the wishing chair, another was from Amazon. So yeah, next thing is potpourri. Potpourri, I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is nothing like dried flowers and stuff, then they put artificial scent to it.
There are so many ways you can use this to decorate your house. You can put it inside candle holders, decorative, those cages, and yeah, I like these things.
So next I have this thing. This is from Ellementry. Love this. This is very pretty, I think. Looks very delicate and elegant. So yeah, I like this. So next I have this coffee mug from wishing chair. I like this, but I find it to be kind of overpriced. I thought it would have the textures and everything, but it's just plain printed. I have another thing from wishing chair, their candle. Previously I bought one in green and this one is white. Smells like kind of jasmine, it has very mild scent to it. That green one has more scent and I prefer the green one more over this, but this is pretty as well. So up next I have this. Bolo ye kya hai? This is egg pot. No, egg cup. Yeah, egg cup. This is egg cup. So yeah, I found this to be very cute. Previously I bought 2 of this. Like they come in a set of 2. So then I ordered this other set because this is so cute. Just look at it. So up next I got this potpourri spray. This is bad. Very very bad. Smells like very bad shampoo. This is lavender but doesn't smell like lavender. Like it's not lavender, please. So bad, it's giving me headache, this is so bad, so I don't recommend this. So next I have, this is not a home decor, this is for Tata, this is this massage thing you can do and I think he's gonna love it. So yeah, this is actually good. I must try this on him.
And you can tell that he loves it very 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 much.
So next I have these 2 things. I can like put it on the walls. These are pretty. These are from a wishing chair, and I've got few wall plates from them as well. Those are pretty but kind of heavy, And I have this big frame. I have this empty wall. I plan to decorate that, so I think it's gonna look good there. And I'm gonna like put some flowers here, some photo there. I think it's gonna look good. I'm gonna show you after it's done. I have this jug, a very plain jug. I'm gonna keep water in this jug. And now I have this thing, tumbler kind of a thing. Wait, yeah, tumbler kind of a thing. Actually this is for like keeping yogurt, but I'm gonna keep my money in there. I already kept in rupees so this is gonna be my piggy bank kind of a thing. I love this because it has this very earthy feel to it and I just love this. This is good. This is from this brand again, Ellementry, something like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you these things, big things I got. So what is this? This is floor cushion. These are from Tistabene. I love this brand. So this brand is I think from Jaipur, and I have all these things in this house like cushions, dhuris from this brand. I don't like their clothes though, but their home decoration stuff is. And I bought this other cushion, and I already had one set of it, and I wanted another. So I got it. These are actually kind of big, very good quality. I love these things. I can sing praises of this cushions and dhuris that I got from Tistabene. I love this brand for these things, but I checked out their clothes, not of my taste, so didn't like those things. Moving on to this potpourri in a jar. So yeah, I found this very pretty. I bought it from Amazon. The name of the brand is Home Center.
I even bought this lotion dispenser from the same brand. I think it looks very good, and I even filled it with some lotions.
Next, knife and peeling thing. Not bad, the color is good. I have not used this yet, so I cannot give you the feedback about the performance, but looks decent. And wait, I have this okay. See these things? This is a floor mat, and this is from Miniso. This is so soft and the color is so nice. I love this. Flowers for you. This is dried flowers. I bought this from Amazon. It looks kind of strange, but in a good way. So next I have more flowers actually. Look at this. So pretty. So I bought one bunch of flowers from this brand, which I kept by my bedside. So I love the flowers, so I bought another two, and I love this look very aesthetic. It looks artificial but in a good way, and yeah, I love these things very much. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna keep this in my house. So next I have few dried flowers from Yellow Cult.
These are actually real pressed flowers, and I have few plans how to decor my house, so I got this. But yeah, these are kind of expensive or overpriced, I'd say. And these are the papers for crafting and all. These are from Little Birdie. I paid like 250, something like that for this. I think the prints are beautiful. Even the paper quality is actually very good.
Next I have candles. This tea light candles.
These are scented tea candles. I think these look very decent, and I got this candle holders. I think I got lots of candle holders. See, another one. I told you. And this is another one, and I love this one the most. And these are like fragrant potpourris, and I kind of regret buying this. It doesn't smell that nice. I mean, the smell is very mild, almost non-existent, but it looks okay, I think.
So alright, moving on to one functional thing. So yeah, I'm gonna link it below. This is bathroom freshener. Okay, this is from Muji. This is pocket notebook. I love this. This is simple, classy, and I love this bookmark. This red one looks so pretty.
So this is one pastel tumbler. I bought it to keep my toothpaste, toothbrush and all. This bottle is actually for Anirban. He loves the color. Okay, so yeah, I know you have already seen it, but I love it.
So this is not a makeup haul video, but I still want to show you. This is from Wet n Wild. Very soft, looks good. And yeah, did I bore you with this video because it went so long? And I hope you found. Okay, I got this mirror. Can you see my camera? Wait. Okay, so yeah, this is a mirror. I don't know from which brand. Bought this from Amazon. Can you see Tata? Tata is sleeping. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, see, Tata is sleeping. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.